Hello guys! Merry Christmas! How are you? Are you having a good time with your family? Now we're just staying at home. My husband doesn't want to show his face. My son is unboxing and assembling the stationary bike because until now we cannot go anywhere. It's been 10 months of pandemic, so we're just gonna be healthy inside and out, and staying at home. So he asked me for a stationary bike, so he bought his stationary bike, and we have like a lot of time to just assembling other stuff because it's holiday. So I'll show you how to assemble the stationary bike. Okay, just stay tuned. I'll see you guys. This is the stationary bike. I think it's already assembled, huh? Yeah. So, so, yeah. No. But, yeah. Oh no. We still need to assemble it. This is the back. I think this is the manual. Okay, let's see what's in here. This is the manual. Okay. This is the manual, the portable IMPEX MARCY portable bike, and it's N692. So at least we're trying to exercise inside the house because the gym right now they're all closed. So he bought his bench with I think 40 pounds of bar. And he bought some dumbbells. He has a Pilates ball. He's doing mat exercises. He's doing TRX and pull-ups. So from 165 now it's only 144 or less than. He started like June, so 6 months, but it's really he lost like 21 pounds. Well, the stationary bike, he's adding more like exercises. He's doing different like exercises, CrossFit, and he's doing a really good job, including with his diet. So I'm happy for him. So we'll see. I'm just assisting him. You want to make sure it's tight, so when he uses it, it won't loose. So. Second one.
Dad. Yeah.
Suck.
Yeah.
So now we already finished the one leg, and this is the second one. So he'll make sure it's tightened so that we cannot have any mistake or when we're gonna disabling anything. So the legs are done. Now he is doing the pedal. I think we're gonna put the pedal here. What's this way?
Where did you get? It has its own music?
No, I got mine.
Oh, no, your iPhone?
Yeah.
But it's nice sound. You say thank you to Mama Lee.
Okay, is it stable? That's the second pedal. The pedals are done. Now we're gonna do the what's that?
The seat.
The seat. Okay, guys, hanging there while he's taking his time. You wanna sit down?
Huh?
You wanna sit down so you can fix it right? I'll hold it. Can you see it?
Yeah.
He's been very busy, that's why it took him. When did you buy this?
3 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago?
Yeah, 2
Yeah, he
weeks
just finished his finals before he assembled it. It's a good time because today is Christmas and we're just staying at home. And he's not working, so he really needs to work out because we eat a lot, but it's more high protein diet, so it's okay. Now the seat is done, but my son said you can adjust the seat. Can you show me?
ago. You can adjust. You can unscrew this knob. And
Adjust it. It depends upon your height. So wow.
So it's about, the height kind of ranges from 33 inches to 36 inches.
36 inches. What's the average?
I don't know.
Like for us, that's the average maybe. Yeah.
It just depends on how big you are.
Okay. That's the last one. What's that?
The handlebar.
Handlebar. So you're gonna put the rice here. Okay.
The last piece.
So that's the last piece. Then he's gonna put it here. So let's wait, guys. We started at 2:35. So we'll see. But I think it's easy to assemble. So just wait for him. The last part, right? What is this? This is the head,
Yeah, the handlebar.
the handle. So you already finished it. What did you connect at the back?
You connected Sensor wired to the main frame. Wire.
I'm gonna go down and show you. Okay, I think this wire. So this one, you just connect this one, and you can do a cardio for 20 minutes or 30 minutes. It depends. So
You can do more than that, but
you can do more than that, but usually, like they do it for a warm up, like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So my son will just do it like 20 minutes, but me, I'll try to do it an hour, you know, because it's not safe to go out right now. Our like state, our country, we have a high rate of coronavirus and the deaths, so we just need to be very careful. Okay, this is the finished product. So he started at, I think, 235, so he's just gonna test it. He will test it, so we're gonna ask him.
So this is the stuff. I'm trying to check if it needs batteries.
It's not loose?
No, I think it needs batteries.
What kind? What?
Probably just double A. Yeah.
He said we need to put like batteries so that you will
Access the electronics in here.
what?
In order to access the electronics and like display your settings and all that.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just to activate the monitor. Is it double or triple A?
What do you think?
No, I think it's triple A.
Oh, so it's not double A, it's triple A. How many did you use?
It's two.
Now he's gonna test it for the second time around.
Okay, now let's see it.
My dad's not like him. Wait, he doesn't have this time like you do.
Yeah. How was it?
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. I think that's pretty much it.
So how many, like how much time, like how many hours did you make it? It took you to unbox and assemble
Probably
it?
like 40 minutes.
40 minutes. Do you recommend this?
Yes, I do. It doesn't make a whole lot of noise, so you can't really disturb anybody in your house when you work out in the morning.
And what about the prices, right? Like
Yeah, for $145, it's not bad.
mm,
It's pretty good. And you can
But
bring
like-
it with you. You can fold it up. So pull out.
yeah, how can you, like they told you when you bought it that you could
So you can fold it up.
fold it up? Yeah, okay.
And you can move it.
Yeah.
You put it in your car and bring it with you somewhere else. But
Wow, that's a good one. So guys,
when
did
you're
you
ready to set it down,
uh-huh. So it's not it's a less than 150 or dollars.
it's less than 150. Yeah.
So including the tax, guys. So you know, we need to be healthy inside and out. So we recommend this. What do you call it? That's a fold